You ever feel that lump in your chest when you're running late and realize your pet's been waiting all day? Their bowl's empty, their eyes full of hope, and guilt hits hard. You promised you'd take care of them. They don't understand traffic, meetings, or overtime. But imagine this, you walk in the door. They're fed, they're hydrated, tail wagging, purring softly, still loving you without a clue you were even late. Because now you're not just a pet owner. You're the hero who never forgets. They give you unconditional love. This is how you love them back. So if your pet means the world to you, don't leave their care up to chance. Click the link and give them the comfort, consistency, and love they deserve, whether you're home or not. You wouldn't let your best friend ride without a seatbelt. So why not give them the comfort and safety they deserve? This heavy-duty car seat bed isn't just a cushion, it's peace of mind. Every trip, every tail wag. They deserve more than just a ride. They deserve the best seat in the car. Tap now to give your pup the comfort they'll love and the protection you'll trust. Ever feel guilty seeing your cat stare out the window, bored, waiting for something to chase? You're busy, life's hectic, but that spark in their eyes, it doesn't have to fade. This little rolling toy, it brings the hunt back, it zips, it glows, it teases, and suddenly your cat's alive with joy again. Because playtime shouldn't depend on your schedule, it should just happen. Tap the link and bring the fun home. Your cat's happiness, it starts rolling the second it arrives. Tired of your couch looking like a scratching post? Your cat's gonna scratch. It's in their nature. But now, they can do it without wrecking your furniture. This self-adhesive scratching pad sticks anywhere and turns chaos into calm. Durable, stylish, and totally claw-approved. Click the link, grab yours now, and give your cat a reason not to shred your stuff. Cats can be picky, but when it comes to water, they're quietly suffering. Stale bowls, dirty dishes, they deserve better. This fountain, it's flowing, fresh, and feels like nature. They drink more, stay healthier, and you worry less. It's not just hydration, it's love in every drop. Click now and show them they're more than just a pet. Got a clever cat or a curious pup? This interactive puzzle toy is more than just fun. It's brain-boosting play with every bite. Whether your pet's a fast eater or just needs a little extra stimulation, this slow feeder turns mealtime into a game. Keeps tails wagging and whiskers twitching, with treats, a built-in bell, and hours of enrichment for cats and dogs. Ready to challenge their mind and slow down snack attacks? Click the link now and bring the fun home. Ready to take your furry sidekick everywhere? This breathable pet backpack is perfect for hikes, trips, and city strolls. Lightweight, comfy, and secure. Your small dog or cat will love the view. Click the link now and start making adventures pet-friendly. Your pet deserves more than just a spot on the floor. They deserve this. This paw-shaped bed is unbelievably soft, fluffy, and perfect for cats and dogs of all sizes. Whether it's for a tiny kitten or a chunky pup, this bed wraps them in warmth and love. Click the link now to give your furry friend the comfort they've been dreaming of. Is your cat zooming around the house with nowhere to go? Give them the ultimate outlet with this indoor cat running wheel. It's safe, carpeted, and perfect for fitness, agility, and burning off that wild energy. Space-saving, easy to assemble, and great for most breeds. It's like a treadmill for your feline athlete. Click the link now and turn their zoomies into healthy, happy exercise.